Hi, I'm Siu-Ling Hui, and this video is about why business owners and directors must understand the financial accounts of their business. First, let's talk about who does what in terms of managing your business finances. You can and you should hire a good accountant or bookkeeper to do your accounts. Their job is to count the beans. They put the accounts together. But you, as the business owner, must understand how to read the accounts. I call this bean reading. Bean reading is about understanding what the numbers are saying about your business, the implications of your business strategies, so that you can make properly informed business decisions. Understanding your financials is not just sound business practice, it's a legal obligation, part of fulfilling your duty as a director and manager of a business. You cannot delegate the responsibility for understanding your numbers. The buck stops with you to ensure that your business is solvent. So, how financially savvy do you have to be as a business owner or director? Well, you've got to be as good as Blind Freddy. The Blind Freddy proposition was established as the minimum level of financial literacy required of company directors in the landmark judgment in a case brought by the Australian Securities and Investment Commission against directors of a publicly listed company. In essence, if you manage a business, you're not expected to be an expert in accounting and finance, but you must be able to read and understand the accounts and assess them in the context of what's happening in the business, and be able to identify where you need to start asking questions of your accountants or auditors. Your accounts are a vital management tool. They make up your business dashboard. Savvy entrepreneurs learn very early on that they need to understand their finances in order to be successful in business. Successful entrepreneur Janine Alice built up a multi-million-dollar international juice chain business starting from her kitchen table. In interviews, she frequently makes the point that her biggest business lesson was realizing that she had to understand every number in her accounts if she was to be successful in her business. This was because she got badly burnt in her early business days by poor advice from an accountant who had not really understood her business. That is a really important point. You see, numbers on their own are meaningless. They must be put into the business context to become useful information. You, as the business owner, are the best person to interpret what your accounts are actually saying about your business. Master your cash flow, know your finances so you can drive strong, sustainable growth and thrive. Thank you for watching. If this has been useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.